tech revolution dawns vibrant. The voice echoes through the room, weaving a tale of Apple's humble beginnings as the retro logo pulses with vibrant energy. Amidst the vibrant display and pulsating music, the narrator declares, "April honest, the day a tech revolution began." Amidst the nostalgic backdrop of vintage photos and animations, the founding trio of Jobs, Wozniak, and Wayne are introduced. April 1, 1976, marks the pivotal moment when destiny intertwined their paths, forever changing the course of technology. The screen flashes with the stark revelation of Wayne's 1800 mistake, casting a shadow of regret over the historic alliance. In the animation studio, an Apple I prototype hums with retro computer sounds, a nostalgic tribute to technological innovation. The voice echoes through the studio, revealing the Apple II's quirks and Wozniak's fascination with repeating numbers. The screen boldly declares, Apple I, 666.66, unveiling a numerical quirk as mysterious as the name itself. A text overlay appears, posing the enigmatic question, why Apple? In Apple headquarters, a cascade of iconic innovations unfolds, each marking a pivotal leap in the technological saga. Echoes of history resonate as each product is unveiled, with captions flashing across the screen, each milestone a testament to Apple's transformative power. The voice resonates with the weight of progress, narrating key milestones and their impact on technology. Inside the bustling news studio, a montage of memes and Tim Cook's tweets flash across the screen, set against a backdrop of staggering eco-friendly statistics. Praises Apple's commitment to environmental sustainability. The screen boldly declares, 3 Trillion Club and Green Apple, symbolizing Apple's dual triumph in market dominance and eco-consciousness. A sudden Apple GPT rumor alert blazes across the screen, igniting a spark of intrigue and speculation. The drone's eye reveals Apple Park in its full splendor, an emblem of innovation under the vast sky. Words appear on the screen. Legacy. Innovation needs vision. Think different. A generation's mantra. Apple's profound legacy, marking its indelible impact on AI, wearables, and design. The iconic Apple logo morphs into a vibrant subscribe button, inviting viewers to join an exciting journey through tech history. A friendly narrator encourages viewers to subscribe, promising a deep dive into the annals of technology. Vibrant text proclaims, "Subscribe for more tech history," reinforcing the call to action with a visual hook. Subscribe for more tech history. As the video concludes, a quote from Steve Jobs appears, "Stay hungry, stay foolish. Guess he meant it."